my students, how are you? Today we will start our second term with Unit 1 is talking about living things. We will take Lesson 1, Human Digestive System. Um what's the meaning of human digestive system? What is the importance of human digestive system? That's we will know at this lesson. In nature is filled with many living things and non-living things. Living things can do many things, like living things can grow, can breathe, can move, can eat, can drink, and so on. But non-living things don't or didn't can or can't do these things. Living things like human, like plants, like animals, but non-living things like paper, like car, phone, and so on. So we can say characteristics of living organisms are, look with me. Number one, growth. Number two, respiration. Number three, motion. Living things or living organisms can move. Look at this picture. Can grow. Nutrition. Living things or living organisms can eat. Nutrition or feeding. Sensation. Living organisms can feel. Look at this picture. Sensation. Okay. Reproduction. Look. Reproduction. Elephant is living organism. Okay. Living organisms have babies. Okay. Excretion. Look at this picture. Excretion. So the characteristics of living organisms are growth, respiration, motion, nutrition, sensation, and reproduction, excretion. Okay. Uh, Focus with me the structure of living uh, organisms body. Look at this man. This is a body. Our body consists of systems like digestive system, and each system consists of a group of organs. Look at this digestive system consists of many organs: liver, stomach, uh, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, and so on. Each organ consists of a group of tissues. This picture refers to tissue. Excellent. Okay. A group of tissues consists of cell. So we can say cell the main building unit of a human body. Like our school consists of classes. Our classes consists of walls, and walls consists of bricks. So we can say bricks is the main building unit of a school. The same thing, cell is the main building unit of living organisms. Okay. There are many systems in our body. So we will take the human body systems and their function. The human body systems and their function. The first system is the digestive system. This picture refers to digestive system. This is digestive system. Okay. What is the function of the digestive system? Digestive system digests and absorbs food. Digests and absorbs food. Uh, at this point, we need to know some information about systems. Okay, some informations. So we need to know the digestive system, its function. It digests and absorbs food. It digests and absorbs food. Okay. We will take the details of or more informations about the digestive system at the next points. Okay. Uh, the respiratory system we took it at grade 3. The respiratory system, this system is responsible for breathing. It's responsible for breathing. Okay, it carries out breathing to get oxygen. We get oxygen from breathing for burning the digested food, which digestive system converts it from a complex form to simple form. Why? To get energy or fit for getting energy. Okay? Okay. The circulatory system. The circulatory system. The circulatory system. Circulatory system has an important role in our body. It, number one, the first function, it transports and distributes the digested food and oxygen where to all body cells. Again, it we have digested food and oxygen. What is function from the of circulatory system? Huh? Circulatory system transport, take digested food and oxygen to all body cells. Again, it transports and distributes the digested food to all body cells through blood. Okay. So, number two, it carries the wastes and carbon dioxide, to special organs to get rid of them because it is harmful substance for our body. We clear our drawings. Thank you. So circulatory system, again, circulatory system, it transports and distributes the digested food and oxygen to all body cells, and it carries the wastes and carbon dioxide to special organs to get rid of them. What are the special organs? Look, we don't need that. Thank you. The urinary system. It gets rid of harmful substances that harm the body. So the urinary system has an important role in our body. It gets rid of harmful substances that's harm the body. So we can say systems work together in harmony. All human body systems work together in harmony to keep our body alive. Okay, what else about systems? Think with me. Which system is responsible for five senses? I can hear, I can see, I can smell, I can taste, I can touch. Which system is responsible for five senses? This system is the nervous system. This system is the nervous system. So we can say the nervous system, it is responsible for five senses: sensation, seeing, hearing, smell, taste. Okay, we said we said uh, characteristics of living organisms. From characteristics of living organisms, reproduction. Living organisms have babies. Okay, so which system is responsible for reproduction? The reproductive system. It produces a new individual. A new individual means have babies. Okay, who will look like the parents. Babies usually look like the parents. Okay, so give reason. We have an important question. Give reason. All the human body systems work together in harmony. Why? To keep the human body alive. To keep the human body alive. So we will start with the digestive system. Digestive system, a system which is responsible for digestion and absorption of food. What's the meaning of digestion and what's the meaning of absorption? At breakfast, at dinner, and so on, we at breakfast, for example, at breakfast we eat bread, we eat jam, we drink milk, and so on. Uh, this food in a complex form. I can't get a benefit from bread at this shape. If I look at my hands, I will get a sandwich walk in my blood. No. So, digestive system changes the food from this complex form or complex shape into a simple form to get the body, to let the body get benefit from it. This process changing the food from a complex form into a simple form is called digestion process. So digestion process is very important to the human body. So we can say digestive system is the system which is responsible for digestion and absorption of food. What's the meaning of absorption? We will know at the next points. Focus with me at digestion process. Digestion process is very important to the human body. Why? Give reason or definition of digestion process. Because it changes the food from a complex form into simple form to let the body get benefit from it. It's very easy. Oh, we need to know what is the structure of the human digestive system. Human digestive system consists of two parts, the digestive canal and digestive canal supplementaries. I will use that. The digestive canal and digestive canal supplementaries. So the structure of the human digestive system is, or the human digestive system divided is divided into two main parts. The first part is the digestive canal, and thank you, digestive canal, and the second part, the digestive canal supplementaries. Okay, so the structure of the human digestive system, digestive canal, and digestive canal supplementaries. Okay, digestive canal consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. A large intestine contains rectum and anus. But we need spotlight. Okay, thank you. But the digestive canal supplementaries are salivary glands, liver, and pancreas. We have an important information. Most of the organs of the digestive system exist in abdominal cavity. This is abdominal cavity. This is abdominal cavity. So most organs of the digestive system exists in abdominal cavity. This is abdominal cavity. Oh, here. Okay. Oh, we will start with the digestive canal. Digestive canal consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and large intestine contains rectum and anus. Okay. The digestive canal, it is a long canal with length of 9 or 10 meters. Oh, it's very long. So a part of it is coiled inside the abdominal cavity. So the digestive canal is a long canal with length 9 or 10 meter. It's a very long. It coiled in abdominal cavity. Look with me. Ab- Digestive canal coiled in abdominal cavity. take a small space. Okay, think with me. Huh? Uh, Digestive canal start with huh? Mouth. Okay, and digestive canal ends with huh? Anus. Okay, so it starts with mouth and ends with anus. We will start with mouth. Mouth is the first organ in the digestive canal as we talk. It is a cavity. It is a cavity where teeth and tongue exist and the salivary glands open to it. Look with me. Mouth, it is the first organ in the digestive system and it is a cavity where teeth and tongue exist and salivary glands open in it. We will take what the meaning of salivary glands and what is the function of salivary glands and where the place of the salivary glands. Okay, we will start with teeth. Look with me. Teeth. The number of teeth in adults is 32. So we have 16 teeth in each jaw. This is called jaw, and this is called jaw. This jaw, this jaw has 16 teeth, and this jaw has 16 teeth. So the number of teeth in adult is 32. The number of teeth in each jaw is 16 teeth. This these teeth divided into incisors, canines, molars, incisors, canines, molars. We have 4 incisors. Look at this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the function of 4 incisors is cutting food. And we have 2 canines. 1, 2. And we have 10 molars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 in each jaw. Okay, we have 4 incisors, we have 2 canines, and we have 10 molars. In adults, adults have more than 12 years. Have more than 12 years. Number two, tongue. This is tongue. Tongue is a muscular organ. What is the meaning of muscular organ? Muscular organs means has no bones. Has no bones. What is the function of tongue? Tongue, I think tongue, it mixes the food with saliva to help swallowing. uh, and tongue help us to move food inside the mouth, and it is responsible for tasting food. Again, it mixes the food with liquid is called saliva to help swallowing. It moves the food inside mouth cavity, and it's responsible for tasting food. If I have amount of sugar and I have the same amount of salt, I can say this amount of sugar is sugar, and this amount of salt is salt from tasting salt and sugar. Okay, salivary glands. There are three pairs of salivary glands. We have three pairs of salivary glands. Salivary gland secretes the saliva liquid that contains the digestive uh, enzymes or substance. The function of saliva: digests starch like bread, like rice, macaroni, and converts them into sugar. Starch is a complex form by saliva, which has or which contains the digestive enzymes, digestive substance, converts sugar, converts starch into simple form is sugar. Okay, where is the place of salivary glands? Salivary glands under lower jaw. We have two jaws, the upper jaw and the lower jaw. Number two, salivary glands under tongue, salivary glands under lower jaw, salivary gland beneath the ear. Under tongue, under lower jaw, and beneath the ear ears. Okay, so the function of the salivary gland, it is secretes the saliva liquids which contain digestive enzymes. This digestive enzymes helps in digesting starch into sugar. Sugar is a simple form. Okay. Sorry, this picture doesn't have pharynx. Mouth Then pharynx. This is pharynx. Pharynx is a common cavity that leads to the esophagus, in digestive system, and the trachea and respiratory system. So pharynx is a common cavity, the same part in digestive system and the same uh, organ in respiratory system. Is a common cavity that lead to esophagus in digestive system and trachea in respiratory system. Think with me, imagine with me, what is the function of pharynx? Pharynx, it allows food to pass to the esophagus. It allows food to pass to the esophagus. Okay, we will go to esophagus. Esophagus, this is a picture of esophagus. Esophagus is a muscular tube. We know muscular tube has no bones, okay? That the food passes through from pharynx, okay, to uh, what is the next organ? Stomach. Okay? Okay. Pharynx, it allows food to pass to esophagus, and esophagus is a muscular tube that allows food to pass from pharynx to stomach. Okay, stomach is a muscular sac. That secretes gastric juice. Uh, this is the shape of stomach. The food stays in stomach for a few hours, then it goes to the small intestine. What is the function of stomach? Uh, we say stomach has gastric juice. This juice has a digestive effect. Its gastric juice makes incomplete digestion of proteins as it changes it into semi-liquid substance. Gastric juice makes incomplete, don't complete, incomplete digestion of what? Of proteins as it changes into semi-liquid substance. Okay, stomach has gastric juice makes incomplete digestion of proteins and changes them into semi-liquid substance. Digestive enzymes, they are digestive substance. We know digestive substance digests food and converts it into simple substance. After stomach, small intestine. Small intestine, its length is 7 meters. Oh, so the small intestine is the longest part of the digestive system. It coils in abdominal cavity as the shape. This shape means coils. And small intestine consists of two parts. Look with me at these two parts. Duodenum and ileum. Duodenum and ileum. Each part has a function. Okay, so small intestine, its length is 7 meters, so the small intestine is the longest part of the digestive system. It coils in abdominal cavity. It consists of duodenum and ileum. This is duodenum and this is ileum. Okay, clear? Thank you. There are two juices are poured in duodenum. These juices are number one, pancreatic juice that is secreted by pancreas, and bile juice, it is secreted by liver, secreted by liver. Ileum, there is intestinal juice. Intestinal come from intestine, uh, comes from intestine. Intestinal juice is poured in ileum. So there are many juices in small intestine. Duodenum has, or there are two juices are poured in the duodenum. Number one, pancreatic juice. It is secreted by pancreas, and we will take the function of pancreatic and bile juice. And bile juice, it is secreted by pancreas, no, by liver. Okay, and there is intestinal juice is poured in ileum. What is the function of small intestine? Small intestine has an important function in the digestive system. The first function is completing the digestion of the different types of food. We talk small intestine, uh, we talk stomach has gastric juice. Gastric juice make incomplete digestion of proteins. And we talk at mouth, there is salivary glands secretes saliva, which digests starch into sugar. Okay, completing the digestion of different types of food is happened in small intestine, especially in ileum, especially in ileum. Okay, absorption of the digested food. Digested food is absorbed through some through small nipples called villi that are found in the wall of a small intestine and goes through the blood to all body cells. Uh, there are small nibbles um, called villi are found in the wall of a small intestine. The digested food passes through them and goes to the uh, blood, then goes to body cells. So absorption process, it's the process where the digested food is transferred from small intestine to what? To the blood, which distributes all over the body organs. Okay, large intestine. After small intestine, large intestine, this is the shape of large intestine. Okay, large intestine contains rectum and anus. Okay, it starts from the ends of a small intestine, as we said, and ends with anus. Anus, which is located at the end of the rectum. At the end of rectum. Okay, here function. It stores wastes. It stores wastes or undigested food and ejects these wastes outside the body through anus. So, large intestine has an important role. It stores wastes, undigested food, which the body didn't need them or need it. Okay, and ejects these wastes outside the body through anus. Okay, the function of rectum. This is rectum. It absorbs water from food remains or food wastes because the digestion process uh, need large amount of water. Okay, we talk bile juice is secreted by liver. Okay, we will do uh, we will take the function of the bile juice. Bile juice, it's help in digestion of fats as it changes fats into fatty emulsion. Okay, fatty emulsion is the simplest form or simple form of fats. So bile juice changes fatty fats into fatty emulsion. Fatty emulsion is a simple form of fats. Okay, salivary glands. We talk salivary glands. They secrete saliva, which digests starch and converts them into sugar. Liver, it secretes the bile juice, which digests fats and changes them into fatty emulsion. Fatty emulsion is the simple form of fats. Pancreas. This is pancreas. It secretes pancreatic juice. We took we took this information, which helps in digesting food. What we do to keep our digestive system healthy. We should avoid food that contains flavor additives, candy, lollipop. We should practice sports regularly because they keep your body fit. Never buy from buy food from street sellers, like this picture. Look at this picture. Don't eat much food that contains large amounts of fats, like fast food. And chew the food well. Okay, we have finished our lesson today. I hope you understand my explanation about this lesson, and I will see you at the next session. Stay safe and goodbye. And I will let a video which explain or has more explanation about the digestive system. Um, okay, goodbye.